Here I'm going to be replacing a screen to the Dell Inspiron laptop. It is a non-touch screen. You're going to start off by unscrewing these 4 screws. There's usually a rubber cap holding them so that they're not shown. I'm also going to be using a small magnet to hold the tiny screws so I don't lose them. After you remove the screws, just gently pull back this layer here. I'm going to lean the screen back and peel this forward gently. And this is going to reveal 4 more screws. There's one here, one down here, and one over here. I'm going to begin by unscrewing these also. Okay, next, just going to lift this broken screen off. Gently, don't pull it too hard because it's a connection back here. And I'm going to gently remove. There's a small piece of tape holding it. I'm going to pull that back. Then there's a ring here that I'm going to unhook. And then I can lift this off. It's best to be safe here. There's a lot of small pins here. Okay, now the screen is fully removed. Now I'm going to grab the other screen that I ordered from laptopscreens.com. This is a replacement. There's a film over the top of it that I'm going to peel off. Okay. Now I'm going to put it on the screen. If you're not sure which screen to order, you can find the serial number on the back here and here. And also on the bottom of your laptop, you should find information regarding where you should get your screen. First, I have to put this back on. This is an awkward angle. And once you have this connector back on, you can screw it back. Okay, now that I have this screen bolted down, I'm gonna push this back on. That sounded violent. Now I'm going to test the screen and see if it works. And it does. Now I'm going to put these 4 screws back in, and then you're done. So thank you for watching. Installing the screen was easy, quick. I ordered it from laptopscreen.com. It cost me $40. Came in 3 days. It was very easy. Thank you.